Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the laptop is awake and you're signed into your Windows account. This gives permissions to access Microsoft services. Once connected to the internet, install any critical Windows updates so apps behave predictably. Next, press the Windows key and type the exact app or Microsoft Store to find it quickly. Open the Store or the Office app directly. This step gets you into the Microsoft ecosystem where installations and sign-ins happen. Once the store or app is open, search for the specific Microsoft product you need, Word, Excel, Outlook, or the store itself, and click Install or Open. You must sign into your Microsoft account to validate licenses and sync settings. This step explains why features and cloud files appear. After signing in, go to the store's library or updates section and apply any available app updates so you're running the latest bug fixes and To finish, open the app once and pin it to the taskbar or start menu so you can launch it instantly later. Make sure Office or the app shows activated under Account or Settings so cloud files and features sync properly. If something goes wrong, like the app won't open or updates fail, reset the app from Settings Apps or run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Then restart the laptop, which often resolves lingering permission or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.